Pull up a chair and settle in. If you searched for simple stretches for older adults, I'm guessing you weren't trying to join a circus or buy a yoga mat made from Himalayan goat feelings. You wanted something gentle, doable, and preferably something that won't leave you stuck on the floor bargaining with gravity, so let's talk. Porch swing style. The sun's going down, the cicadas are tuning up, and I want to show you how a few simple stretches can help you move easier, feel better, and age with a little more grace and a lot more humor. Quick note before we start. I'm not a doctor. I don't wear a white coat unless it's actually a bathrobe. This is just shared experience, plain and simple. Now, why does stretching matter as we get older? Because our bodies start leaving us notes, stiff knees, tight backs, creaky shoulders, and that sound we make when standing up that wasn't there before. Stretching helps with mobility, balance, flexibility, posture, and cuts down on the grunting. Best part? No equipment, no gym, no pretzel-level flexibility. If you've got a body, and congratulations, you qualify, you're ready. Here are a few easy porch-approved stretches. Reach for the sky sit or stand tall. Lift your arms like you're grabbing the last jar on the top shelf. Hold for 10 seconds. Breathe. Lower slowly. Touch your knees or toes if you're showing off. Gently bend forward. Stop where your body says, "That'll do." Great for the back and legs. Porch swing twist. Sit tall and gently twist side to side. Helps your spine and gives strong back-in-my-day energy. Ankle circles. Lift one foot and circle the ankle. Switch sides. These help with balance and keeping tomorrow's walk pleasant. Shoulder rolls. Roll forward, then backward. Undoes years of hunching over phones and life. Calf stretch. Step one foot back, heel down, lean forward slightly. Your stairs will thank you later. And listen, you don't need fancy gear. You can stretch on the porch, in the kitchen, in bed, or while the microwave judges you. Healthy aging isn't about perfection. It's about consistency. 5 minutes a day adds up faster than you think. Your body's carried you a long way. A few gentle stretches are one way to say, "Thanks, old friend." If this helped, check out the full blog for more easy stretches and healthy aging tips. No hype, just real life. Link in description.